Hey, what's up? I'm Barb from G2S and I'm going to show you how to make a Sex on the Beach cocktail plus 3 easy variations on them. This drink originated around 1982 and it was made very popular by TGI Fridays. The creator of this drink is unknown, but it seems to be a combination of a fuzzy maple and a Cape Codder. Originally, this drink would have been made using grenadine for its rich red color, but over the years, cranberry juice has taken its place. So you could use either one, but just don't use both. I'm going to use this no sugar added cranberry juice as a healthier option today, because let's face it, this is just red high fructose corn syrup. So I'm going to use my G2S cocktail shaker set, and I need the cocktail shaker, I need a jigger, I need a strainer, the reamer, and a bar spoon. I'm going to start off with juicing my orange. And I really love using this citrus reamer because it really helps to get all the juice out of the orange. And you could definitely use orange juice from the grocery store, just don't use orange juice from concentrate. And now I'm just gonna get some ice. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with putting cranberry in the bottom of a glass. So if you're using grenadine, you know what to do, right? It goes in now. And then next, I'm gonna put in 2 ounces of vodka into the cocktail shaker, 1 ounce of peach schnapps, and then 2 ounces of orange juice. And then I'm just gonna put the lid on and give that a really good shake. Okay, so now I'm just gonna strain this on top. And then I'm gonna use my bar spoon to just blend it a little bit. But it's so pretty. Wow, that is really pretty. And then I'll just put the garnish on it. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. It's all like an ombre. That is gorgeous. But wait, we have 3 more cocktails and they're so easy. So this one is the Sex on the Beach. So this one is the same thing, but it's called a woo-woo, and all I've done is I've left out the orange juice. This one is called a Sex on Fire, and the only difference is I've left out the vodka and I've put in Fireball. This one is called Sex on the Driveway, and the difference here is there's no orange juice and there's no cranberry juice, but I've put in blue curacao and 7-Up. Well, there you have it, 4 different cocktails to make with just a few easy changes. And don't worry, I'll go ahead and put the exact recipe in the comments. Thank you so much to my returning subscribers for watching. And if you're new to this channel, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you haven't done so already, please go ahead and hit the like and the subscribe buttons below. That helps to build this channel so we can keep bringing you great recipes. Cheers.